Hello Year 8, here are the answers for Monday's lesson, What are atoms? Now slide number 1 was entirely my fault, so I would like to thank those people that emailed me to tell me I forgot to put the interactive bit on, so you couldn't actually type on this slide, but thank you for letting me know. It means that I can fix it. Okay, quick recap of words we have already learned. So atoms are small particles from which all substances are made. Elements are substances that are made of only one type of atom. Compounds have two or more elements chemically combined in fixed proportions. And properties are how a material behaves and what it is like. Quick recap of the scientists that we've been discussing. So Democritus was the ancient Greek who said that if you cut an object up, cut it in half and half and half and half, eventually you would get to a particle so small that you couldn't cut it anymore, and that is what he called an atom. So Democritus was the first scientist to come up with the word atom. The next scientist was John Dalton, and he said that atoms in an element are all the same, and they are like solid balls. Jj Thompson a few years later did an experiment and found out that actually atoms contain electrons and protons. So electrons are negative charges and protons are positive charges. And then the fourth scientist we talked about was Ernest Rutherford, who said that the nucleus contained the protons, the positive, and actually the electrons orbited or spun around the nucleus. So if we look at pictures of their models, Democritus and Jj Thompson